rolling?
Yep, I'm rolling.
All right, turn around, Kat. Cameo by Kat.
Hi.
All right, so we are here outside of Foodie Fit, one of the many meal prep and delivery services here in Vegas. And but it's one of the ones that we vetted. Like, we like a lot of their meals and their options. It's fresh ingredients, quality ingredients. There are some things that you need to be aware of. If you're in the SHT community, they may have some options that don't totally check out, but they have plenty of options that do check out. So let's go inside and see what they got in store. So we got Charlie here, the GM, and tell us a little bit about your meals and the flavors and everything that you were telling me before.
Yeah, so we offer 3 types of dishes, and we color code them too when you come in and see. We do breakfast options, active lifestyle, and lower carb options. They come in 2 different sizes. We include all the information on the labels as well. So when you come in, it's pretty simple, easy to track and know what we have. As far as like type of dishes we have a wide variety of dishes, like from Italian, Spanish, Mediterranean, Asian, like Vietnamese. So there's a wide variety of dishes you can choose from as well that aren't just simple your chicken, broccoli, rice. You know, a lot of the meals are made for flavor and designed to keep you full and satisfied.
Cool. And one of the things that we love about Foodie Fit is that they have these in-store locations. You have 2, right?
Correct.
So Summerlin, and where's the other one?
Green Valley off of Windmill and Eastern.
Okay, cool. So they have meals already in these little refrigerators, so if you're in a pinch and you don't have anything for lunch, or if you're rushing home from work and you don't have anything prepped at home, you can just stop in and do their little grab and go situation, right?
Yep. And you can also place orders online for in-store pickup, because with the stores, you know, it's limited stock throughout the day. So there's multiple ways you can get your hands on meals.
Yeah. So for the food delivery, do you deliver to their house, or is it pickup location?
We deliver to their home.
Okay.
Pretty much if they put their shipping address in, as long as they have access to get to them, we'll deliver anywhere.
Nice. So full delivery service, but then also in a pinch, you can stop in their grab and go locations. And let's pick out a couple of meals that we know are on the SHT community, because SHT people, you know, we have specific ingredients that we go for and things that we try to avoid. So you were talking about a couple of dishes earlier. This is a new one.
Yeah, one of the new ones that just came out, the chicken parm, is actually sold out.
Oh, but it won't be sold out.
It won't be sold
right?
out, so we actually restock every day for the stores as well, so
Okay.
we're never out for the day.
Oh, so we can't look at it right now. So
Yeah.
the chicken parm.
But it's a nice one. It comes with spaghetti squash, gluten-free chip breading on the chicken, and some in-house made marinara sauce.
Nice, awesome. And then we like the beef and was it beef and broccoli?
Beef and broccoli, which
last time
came down.
Came down. Okay,
Yeah.
so the menu is always changing because they use fresh, relatively local ingredients when possible. And if you're in the SHT community, then we're going to have an SHT list of approved meals. Every time they come out with a new list of meals, we'll make sure we update that list. And if you come in and you're part of the SHT community, let them know that you're part of the membership. Show your membership card, and you get a special discount at checkout for any in-store purchases. And then one other thing that we really liked was that they had this, Kat pointed out, cauliflower crust sandwiches. Wait, cauliflower crust pizza crust, and then also cauliflower sandwich buns.
What are the ingredients?
Let's check it out. Cauliflower, egg, Parmesan cheese, nutritional yeast. Yay. All right. So again, you know, if you're part of the SHT community, you're looking for those special ingredients, just come in and look at the ingredients. We're also going to have a list for you so that you know which meals are approved. Every time they come out with new meals, we'll update that list. And then also, if you're part of the SHT membership, show them your membership card and you'll get a special discount. Now, in addition to the grab and go, you do have the ability to customize your meals, right?
Right, and that is an online option. So with that, you'll just choose your choice of protein, carbs, and veggies and the increments you desire. Proteins will be in ounces, veggies and carbs will be in half-cup increments. And you'll also be able to choose a sauce on the side. These meals come pretty plain, pretty simple, so you can add your own stuff to it too. But that's what those creative meal options are there for, just for simplicity.
What do you mean plain and simple, not seasoned?
Right,
Or,
so
okay.
it's not like seasoned like the signature dishes, you know.
Okay.
There's like just black pepper, a little bit of seasoning on the proteins, but not as much as compared to signature.
It's just like cooked meat, cooked vegetables.
Correct.
Cooked vegetables,
Yeah, cooked meat, cooked
starches
vegetables,
and stuff
cooked
like
carbs.
that. All right, cool. Awesome, man. All right, and then for first-time purchasers here, If you show this post that the video is associated with at checkout, you're going to get $5 off your first purchase, right?
Yep.
Cool. Thank y'all.